Upgrading your windows and doors is one of the best ways to improve the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value of your home in Nampa. While the idea of replacing your windows and doors can seem daunting, knowing what to expect during the installation process can make the experience smooth and stress-free. Here's a step-by-step guide to what you can expect when working with professional window and door installers in Nampa. Initial consultation and selection. The process begins with a consultation where you'll discuss your needs, preferences, and goals for the project. A professional installer will assess your current windows and doors, discuss your options for styles, materials, and energy-efficient features, help you choose the best products to suit your home's style, budget, and Nampa's unique climate. Whether you're looking for double-pane windows for energy efficiency, impact-resistant glass for added protection, or a stylish new entry door to boost curb appeal, the consultation is an opportunity to make informed decisions that meet your needs. Accurate measurements and order placement. Once you've chosen your new windows and doors, the next step is taking accurate measurements to ensure a perfect fit. Professionals will carefully measure each window and door opening, considering factors like alignment, wall depth, and potential structural adjustments. Once the measurements are complete, the products will be ordered and customized to your specifications. Your installer will provide a timeline for delivery and installation, keeping you informed every step of the way. Preparation before installation day. Before installation day, your installation team will give you instructions on how to prepare your home. Here are a few simple steps you can take to ensure a smooth process. Clear the work area. Move furniture, curtains, blinds, and decorations away from the windows and doors being replaced. Provide access. Ensure pathways are clear for the installation team to bring in tools and materials. Secure pets and valuables. Keep pets in a safe area and secure any fragile items to prevent accidents. Taking these steps will help the installation crew work efficiently and keep your belongings safe. Removal of old windows and doors. On installation day, the professional team will start by removing your old windows and doors. They will carefully remove the existing frames, glass, and hardware. Dispose of the old materials responsibly, leaving your space clean and organized. Inspect the window and door openings for any damage, rot, or structural issues that need to be addressed before installing the new products. Professional installers take great care during this step to avoid damaging your walls, trim, or surrounding areas. Installation of new windows and doors. Once the old materials are removed, the team will begin installing your new windows and doors. This step includes placing and securing the new frames to ensure a snug and level fit, adding insulation, weather stripping, and caulking to seal any gaps and improve energy efficiency, installing the glass, hardware, locks, and decorative elements as needed. Professional installation ensures everything is done with precision, so your windows and doors are secure, energy efficient, and fully functional. Testing and quality check. After the new windows and doors are installed, the team will perform a thorough inspection and quality check. This includes testing the windows and doors to ensure they open, close, and lock smoothly. Checking for drafts, gaps, or alignment issues. Confirming that the insulation and seals are tight and energy efficient. This step ensures your new windows and doors meet the highest standards for performance, safety, and durability. Final cleanup. A professional team will leave your home as clean as they found it. They will remove any construction debris, dust, and leftover materials. Wipe down the newly installed windows and doors. Return furniture and items to their original positions if needed. You can rest assured that your home will look clean and refreshed after the installation is complete. Walkthrough and customer satisfaction. Before the installation team leaves, they will conduct a final walkthrough with you to ensure you are completely satisfied with the work. During this walkthrough, they will explain how to operate and maintain your new windows and doors. Address any questions or concerns you may have. Review warranties and provide care tips to keep your new products in top condition. This final step ensures you feel confident and happy with your investment. Enjoy the benefits with your new windows and doors installed. You can start enjoying the many benefits they bring to your Nampa home, including improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills, enhanced curb appeal and home value, greater comfort and protection from the elements, increased security and noise reduction. Ready to upgrade your home? Upgrading your windows and doors is an investment that delivers long-term value, comfort, and beauty. By choosing professional installation in Nampa, you ensure the job is done right the first time, with no stress or hassle. If you're ready to transform your home, contact a trusted window and door installation professional in Nampa. From consultation to completion, you can expect a seamless process and outstanding results that will enhance your home for years to come.